All right, guys, we're doing the last box we've got of Series 41, autographed full-size helmet. It's got Patrick Mahomes, Saquon Barkley, Peyton Manning, Patrick Mahomes. Those are some of the big names in this one. So box 81 out of 100. And this was the eBay break that ended last night. So I've got Aaron C. with the Bills. Darren, you've got the Rams, Dolphins, Patriots, Giants, Raiders, Eagles, Steelers, Titans. Titans is the last one. Then Derek's got the Cardinals, Panthers, Bengals, Cowboys, and Texans. Donnie with the Falcons, Chiefs, and 49ers. Grant with the Bears. Jay Kelly with the Browns. Jeffrey C. with the Lions. Jeremy D. with the Vikings. John W.'s got the Saints. Mark with the Packers, Chargers, and Jets. Michael P. with the Colts, Jags, and Redskins. Ricky had the Seahawks. Did not get payment from you on that. Sean with the Ravens. Spencer with the Bucks. And then Stephen K. with the Denver Broncos. All right, so 81 out of 100. Let's see what we can get in this one.
Have you ever seen a Khalil Mack in this?
Oh, what? Khalil Mack?
Yeah.
Let's see, for the Raiders. It'd be Raiders. We haven't seen Bears yet.
How many years did they sign him to?
I'm not sure.
I mean, they have 2 first-round picks, so. Oh.
All right, well, we know what that gold and black helmet is. Kind of takes the element out of there without the bag being there. So that is going to be a Steeler. Pretty sure.
Don't look at the box.
There is the Steeler right there. And it's going to be a current player. It looks like a Vance McDonald.
Yeah.
It's a big old signature. Gold signature 89. Number 89.
He's 89, right?
I think so. Dave and Adams certified. So card and sticker are on the back. And that is who it is. It is going to be a Vance McDonald. So nothing else down to the bottom here. Just paper. So Pittsburgh on this one will be Darren. There you go, Darren. We definitely owed you a helmet after last weekend. So Darren, that one's coming your way, man. So congratulations on that. Pretty nice looking helmet. We'll get that mailed out to you tomorrow. And that'll do it for Series 41. So like I mentioned, Series 42 on eBay now. That's the Brady series, so it'll end on Saturday and we'll break it on Sunday.